Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install the Hunting Sniper mod menu for free. This method works on both iOS and Android devices, and it unlocks all the best hacks, including unlimited gems, unlimited coins, and exclusive features you won't find anywhere else. As you can see on the screen, the Hunting Sniper mod menu gives you access to powerful options like unlock all guns instantly, unlimited gems and coins, perfect shot accuracy, and much more. Before you start, make sure your Hunting Sniper app is updated to the latest version. Just head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, check for updates, and install the newest version. This ensures the mod menu works smoothly without errors. Once your game is updated, the next step is simple. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact link and instructions on how to get Hunting Sniper++. Follow the steps carefully, and you'll have the mod menu running in minutes. That's it for today's tutorial on the Hunting Sniper mod menu for iOS and Android. Enjoy your unlimited gems, coins, and unlocked weapons, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!